Finally, our prayers have been answered. Are you a motorcyclist and are you enthusiastic about your motorcycle? Well, if you are, then you know it is not easy to clean your motorcycle with just one product. Because you see, your motorcycle consists of various components. You have the painted plastic parts, you have the sticker plastic parts, you have the greased up joints, chains, sprocket, you have the sensitive rubber joints, you have electrical components, you have the anodized bare metal. There are so many things, and do you really think you can clean all of these things with just one product? Now, the answer though comes in one bottle. Introducing Motosol High Performance Motorcycle Cleaner. Hi, I'm Prameeth. I'm the managing partner of Springs, a motorcyclist and a very passionate detailer. I have been looking for a product like Motosol for a very long time because it takes care of my motorcycle cleaning requirements end to end, while doing that with half the effort, half the requirement of water, and in half the time also doubling the results that I get. So what makes Motosol so specific to motorcycles? As we discussed earlier, motorcycles have various components. Now, Motosol is specially formulated in Germany for our requirements in India. It is tough where it is supposed to be and gentle where it is supposed to be gentle. Let me show you how. As you can see, it's been a while since this chain has been lubed. All the lubrication that was done earlier has spread onto the sprocket and it literally needs to be scraped out now. With Motosol, cleaning the sprocket is much easier. As you will now see, I'm going to only spray the sprocket with Motosol and I will let it sit for 10 minutes while the product goes to work. Since it's been 10 minutes, the product has been working. Now we take a wet cloth and wipe it with a little bit of persuasion. And watch what happens. Your sprocket will be as clean as a brand new one. Now that we have cleaned the sprocket, let's address the rest of the motorcycle. Of course, you don't have to spray as much of Motosol on the rest of the places because there's not so much of grime. Just an even spread and leave it for 5 minutes and then we wipe it with a wet cloth. With Motosol, even bug splatter like this is not a problem. I've just sprayed it and left it for 2 minutes and you see, it just comes off so easily.